Okay, let us see how we can perform addition in standard form. A number written in standard form, two numbers, and then we are supposed to make addition. For example, find the sum of 7.24 times 10 to the 4 plus 2.23 times 10 power 5. Now you see these numbers are written in standard form and you have to do addition. Funny enough, you see here that we have power 4. This is power 4. Okay, and we have this is power 5. So they have different integrals of 10 here. So a very important thing is to make sure that they are in the same integrals of 10. If it is 10 power 5, both should be in 10 power 5. As a hint, make sure that you change the small number here. This is a smaller one. This is smaller compared to this because this is having power 5 and this is having power 4. So don't look at this 7 and this is 2 now. This one is bigger. If it is written in standard form and find that another one number is having many powers of 10 than the other one, then that number is bigger than the other number. So let us see how we carry addition in this case here. So observe the powers and change the smaller number to the bigger power. Now in this case we say this is the smaller number, we are going to change it into a bigger power. Change 7.24 into power 5. Okay, in this case we change this one to power 5 and the 7.24 times 10 to the 4 is the same as 0. It will go down 1. If we have to make it to the higher power, it will go down 1. If we make it to the bigger power, it goes up. But this one, when it goes up 1, it means it will be times 10 power negative 1 to go back here, which gives us 10 power 4. So that's how we change. We can change down or up the way we want, but in this case we went up. So going up, we go down in the decimal numbers. This will now lead us to perform addition of these two numbers. Since that now they are in same powers, we can perform addition. Okay, we add the decimal numbers. It's simple. We add this to this one because they are in same power and then give it the same power. Okay, so we add 2.23 to 0.72, we get 2.95. But now because they are having a common integral of 10, we multiply by 10 power 5. Then our final answer is this one here. The final answer is 2.95 times 10 power 5. So this is our final answer. However, we can do this by changing these two numbers into decimal numbers, add them and then write them again into standard form. If you find that this is a bit challenging, you can do that. Okay, we can do this way. Okay, let us rub here faster and see the alternative. The alternative is changing everything here into decimal so that we have this number here equal to going forward 4 points is the same as 7, 2, 4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, plus going 5 here, 1, 2, and the other 3 zeros. So it is 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if you write in standard form, we'll move us from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to this point. You have 10 power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 10 power 4. So add these two numbers. It's the same as adding it here. This is 0, 0, 4, 2, 7. So if you add here, you have 0, 0, 4, 5, 9, 292. Okay, we have this much. What is our 4 now? 2, 4. We forgot to write 4 here. That's why I don't see that 4. I just added the 0.2. I didn't write 4 here. You see, there is no 4 here. It was supposed to be 4 there, so that our 4 could be there. Okay, so this is the final is 295,400. There is 4 here now. Which if it is written in standard form, it is 1 2 3 4 5 to give you 2.954 times 10 power 5, the same to this, the same to that one. So this is very important. You do this way if you find that you cannot change this, you are not sure on how to change this to the bigger power. Okay, also subtraction is taken the same way. Subtraction also is taken the same way. You can change numbers like this and then subtract to them, or you can change them to the higher power the way we showed here. Change to the higher power and then subtract the numbers given. Thank you for listening and watching, and be blessed. Meet you in another tutorial.